Feeling frustrated that the law of attraction isn't working for you? You're not alone. Many people struggle to manifest their desires, but the problem might not be the law itself, but rather how you're applying it. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the reasons why the law of attraction might not be working for you and provide actionable steps to unlock its true potential. Get ready to discover the missing piece.
The main principle of the law of attraction. The law of attraction is the most powerful law in the universe, referring to the principle of resonance and attraction between similar frequencies. There is an absolute connection between what you think and what you experience in reality. Your experiences do not appear out of thin air. Everything is attracted by you, without exception. Wish fulfillment. When you focus your attention on something, you attract things with the same frequency into your experience. When you think about something you want, through the law of attraction, the thought becomes stronger and more powerful. When you think about something you don't want, the law of attraction also starts to attract, and negative thoughts become stronger. My thoughts are magnetic. Your thoughts are like magnets, attracting things with the same vibrational frequency. Everything you experience is because your thought frequency matches it. My inner being communicates through emotions. Your emotions are how your inner being communicates with you. When your thoughts align with your inner being, you feel positive emotions. When your thoughts conflict with your inner being, you feel negative emotions.
How to use the law of attraction.
1. Wish. When you focus your attention on what you want, you emit a corresponding vibration and attract more similar vibrations to you. 2. Believe. Believe that what you want is possible. Believe that what you want will definitely come true. 3. Feel. Feel like you already have it. Imagine that you already have what you want and feel the joy of it. This will help you attract it to you faster. 4. Action. Don't just sit and wait for good luck to come, but take action to achieve your goals. Even small actions can help you accelerate the creation of what you want.
How to know what you really want.
Observe your emotions to understand your preferences. Say, I want to know what I want. Pay attention to what you focus on. Practice making your thoughts clearer.
How to avoid attracting things you don't want.
Don't focus on what you don't want. Focus on what you want. Believe that what you want will definitely come true.
How to change the direction of your thoughts.
Be aware of your thoughts and feelings. Choose what you want to focus on. Focus on what you choose. Over time, your thoughts will become true.
How to change your life experience.
Focus on the state you want, not the current situation. Most people focus on the current situation, which prevents them from changing their lives. To change your life, you need to focus on the state you want and believe it is possible. Guide your thoughts with your heart. Don't just passively accept your thoughts. Guide your thoughts with your heart and lead them in the direction you want. Take action. Ideas alone are not enough. You also need to take action to achieve your dreams.
How to maximize the law of attraction.
Use the law of attraction consciously. Focus on what you want and evoke strong emotions. Believe that what you want will definitely come true.
Additional tips for using the law of attraction.
Practice the law of attraction every day. Even a few minutes can help. Be grateful for what you already have. Gratitude will help you maintain a positive attitude and attract more good things into your life. Forgive those who have hurt you. Forgiveness is one of the best ways to release negative emotions. When you can forgive others, you can create more peace and happiness for yourself. Help others. Helping others is a good way to give back to the universe. When you help others, you also attract more good things for yourself. Emotional guidance system. Your emotions are how your inner being communicates with you. When your thoughts align with your inner being, you feel positive emotions. When your thoughts conflict with your inner being, you feel negative emotions. Paying attention to your emotions can help you determine if your thoughts are consistent with what you want.
How to overcome disappointment.
Disappointment is a communication mechanism that tells us our focus is not aligned with our inner desires. To overcome disappointment, do this. Cultivate strong beliefs. Believe firmly in your ability to succeed, even before the problem is resolved. This belief can help maintain a positive attitude and motivation. Learn the process of creation. Understand the process of creation and how to attract what you desire. Engage in activities such as creating a workstation or practicing creative thinking to enter a positive and joyful state that allows you to attract the things you want. Be sensitive to feelings. Recognize that disappointment is a form of communication from your inner being, indicating that what you are focusing on is not what you truly want to experience. By being aware of your feelings, you can better understand your genuine desires and move towards aligning with them.
Should you pursue the cause of negative emotions?
It is important to identify the thoughts that cause negative emotions. We can change these thoughts by focusing on what we want. We can overcome negative beliefs by building bridges of belief.
How to build bridges of belief?
Identify the thoughts that cause negative emotions. Determine what you really want. Gradually change your beliefs in the direction you want.
How to attract more joy, happiness, and harmony?
Make joy your wish. Focus on things that make you feel happy. Guide your thoughts with your heart, moving in the direction of feeling more and more happy. Believe that joy will become your life experience.
How to enhance your magnetism?
Spend 10 to 15 minutes every day focusing on what you want and evoking strong emotions. Stay happy. Collect things in your life that make you happy and bring them into your creation station. Imagine that you already have what you want and feel the joy of it. Believe that what you want will definitely come true. Abraham's creative process. 1. Find a quiet place as your creation station. 2. Keep yourself happy. 3. Review your day and collect things that make you happy. 4. Imagine that you already have what you want and feel the joy of it. 5. Believe that what you want will definitely come true.
Before entering the creation station, you must keep yourself in a happy mood. If you feel unhappy or do not feel any emotions, your actions cannot create great value because you cannot emit attraction. The happiness we are talking about is not about jumping up and down with excitement, but a feeling of upliftment and carefreeness, where everything becomes very beautiful.
Examples of creation stations. Imagine yourself full of energy and not tired, and effortlessly navigating through life experiences. Imagine yourself having abundant wealth and enjoying boundless abundance. Imagine yourself having a healthy body and a vibrant life. Imagine yourself having good interpersonal relationships and getting along well with others. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and dreams.
The key to wish fulfillment, adjusting vibrational frequency before action. How the law of attraction works.
What you attract always matches your dominant inner vibrational frequency, not what you superficially want or don't want.
The myth of action.
Many people mistakenly believe that taking action alone will lead to desired outcomes. However, if the vibrational frequency before action is not adjusted properly, it will attract more unwanted things.
The importance of changing vibrational frequency.
Before taking action, take time to reflect on what you truly desire and let the corresponding positive emotions and thoughts become your dominant inner vibrational frequency.
Benefits of creation station.
Using meditation, visualization, and other methods to focus on what you want and feel the associated positive emotions can help adjust your vibrational frequency. When your vibrational frequency aligns with your desires, the law of attraction will naturally manifest them in your life.
Adjusting the vibrational frequency before taking action is the key to manifesting your desires. By consciously choosing your thoughts and emotions, you will know how to do the right thing at the right time, and your actions will bring you what you desire. You will be able to take control of your life and attract what you truly want. Welcome to Earth. You are a great creator. You have the ability to create the life you want. Focus on what you want and believe it is possible. Take action to achieve your dreams. These might sound like cliches, but have you noticed how he keeps emphasizing focusing on your thoughts and, most importantly, paying attention to your emotions? In the next video, we'll continue to dissect the other two universal laws mentioned in the book, as well as the segmental focusing method. We'll also provide a special breakdown of the emotional guidance system. Stay tuned to our channel and don't miss out on the most important details about the law of attraction. Want to learn more in-depth knowledge of the law of attraction, self-improvement, spiritual growth, practical techniques and exercises? Subscribe and turn on the bell. Don't miss our new video and challenges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in unlocking their manifestation abilities. Stay positive, keep believing, and manifest your dreams into reality. Until next time, take care.